All right. Well, good evening, fans. Welcome in here on AudioSportsOnline.com to Brownsburg Varsity Girls Basketball. Rob Kendall is my name. Thank you so much for joining us tonight as the Lady Bulldogs kick off sectional action against the Southport Cardinals. We are at Brownsburg High School, so a bit of a familiar surrounding for the Lady Bulldogs playing on their home floor in this first round sectional matchup. Let's go through the starting lineups for tonight's game for the Lady Bulldogs, who are going to be the home team on the scoreboard wearing white. It's number 21, Hannah Mingus, 22, Kaylee Comer, 23, Stephanie Mavunga, 34, Alea Walker, and 35, Lindsay Lowe. For the visiting Southport Cardinals, it'll be number 10, Bria Wright, 11, Shayla Wright, 24, Molly Bridges, 25, Grace Clark, and 33, Jabrina Gardner. So for the Bulldogs, Mingus, Comer, Mavunga, Walker, and Lowe. For the Cardinals, Wright, Bridges, Clark, and Gardner. So we do have one correction for the Brownsburg starters. Number 20, Margaret Oles, in place of number 21, Hannah Mingus. So that was given to us by the scorers table. So we do apologize for that. So Margaret Oles will be in the place of Hannah Mingus. So again, it's Oles, Comer, Mavunga, Walker, and Lau for the Bulldogs. And it'll be Mavunga to tip it up against Bridges. Good participation by the student section for Brownsburg High School tonight. Tip is up. It's underway. Controlled by the Bulldogs. Mavunga with it. Around the horn it'll come. And now in anticipation, steal out of bounds, but it'll stay with the Bulldogs. Brownsburg, the home team in white, purple letters and numbers. The visitors, the Cardinals, in red, white letters and numbers. Left side. Now back center of the floor over to Oles. Now to Comer. Back to Oles. Little game of pitch and catch. All the way right side it'll come. Round the horn. Oles dribbles through some traffic. Now right side. Left to Comer to Mavunga. Mavunga on the floor. Shot is blocked. And she will go to the foul line and shoot two. First one is good. No good. And one more on the way. Can't get either one to go, so the Bulldogs cannot capitalize on the chance to score early on in the ball game. No score. Jumper left side. That's a three ball. It's up and good. And that was a jumper good from 25, Grace Clark. Mavunga inside, and a foul is called. So Mavunga back to the free throw line. Shot is up, and no good. Second shot is good. So Mavunga gets the Bulldogs on the board, 3-1, 6:30 left to play in the first quarter. In sectional action, win or go home, as they say. And a travel called on number 25. That's Clark. Lob inside to Mavunga. Position. Missed the two. And a foul. No, jump ball is called. As that was 34 for your Bulldogs. Walker coming up over the back. Pressure in the backcourt. And another turnover is going to occur with the possession arrow favoring the Bulldogs. Back-to-back jump balls. And inside, the left-handed layup from Walker is good. And we're tied at 3. 5 minutes, 30 seconds left to play in the first quarter of action. To the hole, there's a foul going to be called on the Bulldogs, as that was number 33, Jabrina Gardner. Three to 3, 5:23 remaining here in the first quarter of action. Rob Kendall here with you tonight on Audio Sports Online as your Brownsburg Lady Dogs now trail by 1 to the Southport Cardinals. Around the horn it comes. Mavunga, long jumper, no. Rebound, Walker. Zane Roper in the ball game for the first time for the Lady Bulldogs as Mavunga puts it up and in for 2. 4:55 of play in the first. 5-4. Bulldogs up by 1. Jumper is no good. Rebound tracked down by Gardner. Nearly lost the handle on it. Knocked out of bounds. Leah Walker, only a freshman. Three ball. In and out. Rebound fought for. Walker pulls it out of there. And here come the Lady Dogs. Comer, jumper, no. Rebound, Gardner. And now it's a sprint back the other way. Gardner to the hole, goes up, no good. Rebound pulled out of there. And here come the Bulldogs. To the hole, easy layup is no good. Rebound out of there by Wright. And back the other way comes Southport. Three ball, no good. Rebound, Mavunga. Three ball, Comer, no. Rebound, Clark, pass ahead to Wright, sprint to the basket, and a foul is going to be called. Layup was no good, but with 3:37 to play, it'll be Southport at the foul line, chance to tie the game. Five to 4, 3:37 to play. First quarter of action. Rob Kendall is my name. Thanks for joining us tonight, right here on AudioSportsOnline.com. Shot is up and good. Around the horn it comes. Top of the key. To Comer. Inside, now right wing. Three ball up. No good. Out of bounds, and it'll belong to the Cardinals. Plural. Cardinals, plural. Tied at 5. 3 minutes. Oh, got away with the palm. Ball knocked away out of bounds. Last touched by Brownsburg. 3 minutes even left to play here in the third game of our sectional. This is the first quarter. Jumper up, no good. Rebound. Pulled down by Wright, lost the handle on it. Bulldogs come out of there with the basketball. That was 30 Dygert with the ball. That's inside of Mavunga. She got position, goes up and in for two. Seven to 5. Bulldogs lead it by 2. And an errant pass ends up in the hands of Brownsburg. Layup to the basket is no good, but Roper will go to the foul line and shoot 2. And that'll make it an 8-5 ball game. 8-5 the score. 2 minutes, 22 seconds left to play. Free throw no good. Mavunga rebound, lost the handle on it. Ball's loose, it's on the floor, and a jump ball is called. Possession arrow favors Southport. And wide open, couldn't get it to go. That was Clark. And I think she was a little surprised at how open she was. Now there's a steal out of bounds. It'll end up, they'll say, last touched by Brownsburg. So the ball will belong to Lady Bulldogs. Or, I'm sorry, the Lady Cardinals. Right, a 3. No good. This ball tipped away, ends up in the hands of Oles. The other way to a wide open Kaylee Comer, who puts it in for 2. And the lead is 5 for Brownsburg. Right in the lane, jumper blocked. Loose ball coming back, running left side, now right. Ball on the floor, jumper up, no good. Rebound pulled down. And here comes Southport. Cardinals are down by 5. Bulldogs with the lead. And a travel. 59 seconds to play, first quarter. Ball swatted away, and it will belong to the Bulldogs. To Mavunga. Mavunga, wide open jumper, no good. As that was 30 Dygert putting it up. The rebound grabbed by Lau. Ball is still loose. It's on the floor. Ends up back in the hands of Brownsburg. Nice hustle. Nearly stolen away by Wright it was, and then a foul is going to be called on Comer. 10-5 the score. 30.6 seconds left to play in the first quarter. Be Southport ball out of bounds. Three ball, no good. Rebound pulled out of there by Oles. Bulldogs running the other way. For no good. In for 21 with the 2. Jumper from Gardner short, and that'll bring about the end of our first quarter. So good job by Brownsburg. 12-5. We played one. Bulldogs on top. All right. Second quarter underway. Good job for the Bulldogs. Nice start to tonight's ball game. Rob Kendall here with you tonight as the Brownsburg Lady Dogs play host. Jumper up, no good. Rebound pulled down. And the layup is inside and good for two. That was Bridges. 12-7. Bulldogs up by 5. Bulldogs continue now with it. Left side. Side to Mavunga. Shot up, no good. Rebound right out of there with it. And it looks like we're going to get a whistle and a foul on Brownsburg. .7:05 left to play here in the first half. Bulldogs up by 5, 12-7. Up top to right, a long three, no good. Rebound fought for. Mavunga ends up with it. And here comes Brownsburg. Right side to Oles. And a travel. Travel called on Brownsburg. 6:23 left to play in the first half. 5-point lead for the Bulldogs. Southport with the ball. Jumper from the foul line from Clark is good. And I believe that's the 7th point of the night for Clark. She's got 7 of her team's 9. Into Mavunga. Good position, good spin, and up and in for 2. Gardner with it in the corner. Right, a 3. It's in and out. And the rebound pulled out of there. Bulldogs lead it by 5. Mavunga, check that. That's Walker to the hole. And a foul called on Southport. I believe that will be the 4th. If I'm wrong, no. Yes, that will be the 14th foul on the Lady Cardinals. Bulldog ball off the inbound. In the corner to Comer. Comer a 3. It's good. No, a long 2. They'll say inside the arc. (16-9). And there's a steal. Takeaway by Oles. Walker to Roper. And Roper nails the 3. Inside, knocked away by Mavunga. And with 4:47 to play, it's 19-9. Bulldogs creating some distance here midway through the second quarter. Shot is up. It's no good. Mavunga with the steal. Ahead to Comer. And Comer lays it in with the left hand. Looking, nowhere to go on the wing. Takes it inside. Got it to go, and the foul. Let's see if they agree to count the basket. If so, they will count the basket. So 21-11 the score now. 4:18 left to play here in the second quarter of action. And that is number 13, Madison Kendall at the foul line, makes the shot. And Kendall will draw the Lady Cardinals to within 9. Ball knocked away. Loose ball picked up by Mavunga. Errant pass ends up in the hands of the Bulldogs, as that was 45 Brooke Bronger that tracked it down. Bronger a long jumper. No. Rebound tipped up and a foul. I think they're going to get Mavunga, and I believe that could be her second foul. Yeah, it is. It is the second of Stephanie Mavunga. So she will check out. Perhaps a bit of a reprieve for the Cardinals to get the size out of there that Mavunga brings. Loose ball, hot potato, ends up in the hands of Roper. Here comes Roper's pass ahead, and a foul is called, as that was 42, Mackenzie Trout, heading to the basket. And they will say it was a 2-shot foul. Shot is up and good. Second free throw no good. The lead is now 10. Turnaround jumper no good. Shot is up. It's short. Right, the jumper, no good. And a foul is called. And it's going to go against Southport with 2:59 to play in the half. (22-12) is our score. Steal back the other is foul. And she will have 2 free throws coming up. First one is up and no good. Nice pass down inside, wide open, couldn't get the layup to go. Gardner in the corner, Clark fires a jumper, no. Rebound put up, a foul is called, as the Bulldogs gave some space away that time to number 13, Madison Kendall, and she was fouled. 22-13 our score with 2 minutes and 14 seconds left to play in the second quarter. Rob Kendall is my name. Thanks for joining us tonight right here on audiosportsonline.com. First jumper up and good. And both free throws are down, so give the Southport squad some credit. They are hanging around. Feels like they've kind of been outplayed, but the Bulldogs are just up by 7. Of course, Brownsburg would certainly rather be on the high side of the up-down argument. And layup no good. A rebound put up. Nope. And Wright comes out of there with the rebound. Pass ahead to Clark. Turnaround jump hook, no good. Rebound to Roper. Ball knocked out of bounds. Last touch by Southport. So the Bulldogs will retain possession. The minute 43 to go in the half. Up by 7, 22-15. Pretty good ball game played by both squads so far. If you are just tuning in, Rob Kendall here with you tonight on Audio Sports Online. And the ball's going to sail out of bounds. No, they'll say it's a live ball. Kendall comes up with it and gets it to go for 2. So a bit of a bad break for Brownsburg. I thought they were going to say that was an out-of-bounds ball. They ruled it a live ball, and it's 22-17. And now the Bulldogs got to settle down here and try to get some points. Oh, got away with the travel there. Long three from Roper, no good. Rebound to Gardner. And Gardner dishes it off and up and in for 2. That was 25 Clark. She's having a nice first half. It's 22-19. Bulldogs with the lead. 50 seconds to play, first half. Bulldogs searching for a scorer with Mavunga out of the ball game. Walker's also had a nice first half for Brownsburg, so let's see if we don't try to get if they don't try to get her involved. Kaylee Comer also out of the ball game for Brownsburg, and she's put some points up as well. Ball comes to Walker. Garner, though, with the steal. Here we go. Foot race to the bucket. She's fouled. She'll shoot 2. And a chance to cut the lead to 1 with 27 seconds to go in the first half. So kind of a seesaw affair. It's close early on. Bulldogs separated. Got up 10. And now the Cardinals, as that first free throw is no good, have cut it to 3. So really a back-and-forth game early on. But if the Bulldogs, especially if they can get Southport to miss this free throw, can convert at the end of the half, they can put some distance back in front of them again. And Gardner unable to convert, so good break for Brownsburg. And as we said that, Kaylee Comer, not Mavunga, but only Kaylee Comer is back into the contest. I believe Comer has 5 points for the Bulldogs so far. Or 4 points, I'm sorry. Bulldogs running low on time. It's into Walker. Got an open look and couldn't get it to go. So an exciting first half does come to a close. Pretty good ball game by both teams. We'll take a break. Be back with the second half. 22-19. Bulldogs lead it here on AudioSportsOnline.com. All right, Bulldog fans, we're back. Exciting second half action moments away as Brownsburg, the Lady Bulldogs leading the Southport Cardinals by a score of 22-19. Brownsburg led by as many as 10 in the first half, but the Southport made a frantic comeback towards the end to close the gap to 3. It's 22-19 with 8 minutes on the clock for our third quarter. Mavunga back in the ball game, and that's really when the Bulldogs lost control of the lead, was when Mavunga picked up her second foul and had to come out. So it was really a tale of two parts of the first half. Shot is up, it's no good. Mavunga grabs the rebound. And you tend to think if you're a Bulldog fan, if you can just keep Mavunga out of foul trouble in the second half, should be feeling pretty good. Walker to the hole and up and in for 2. So good start for Brownsburg. Jumper up and good. That's a long 2. Pass down inside, knocked away. Out of bounds. Oh, and they'll say last touched by Southport, even though Mavunga was trying to make the save. The ball will belong to Brownsburg. Comer, 3, no good. Rebound, knocked away, last touched by Southport. Inbound. Nice move to the hole. Skips it across court to Comer. Comer in the lane. Shot up. No good. Rebound pulled out of there by Gardner. In the corner. Right, a 3. And that's good. And we are tied. So we do have a ball game here. As the 3 ball was connected. And a travel called on the Bulldogs. That was 35, Lindsay Lau. And Amy Brahman going to spend a 30-second timeout here and talk to the crew. Bulldogs tied now, 24 apiece, with 6:13 left to play in the third quarter. So Southport, with a chance to take the lead. They have not led in the ball game. But that matters not now, as we are right where we started. Didn't even need to play those first 18 minutes. Jumper's up, it's no good. Mavunga skies in there for the rebound. In the corner, Comer, a 3. It is no good. Mavunga skies in there for the rebound. It's stripped, but they're going to call a foul on Gardner. Winner of this ball game gets Ben Davis. Ben Davis snuck past Decatur Central in an overtime affair in her first game, and now Mavunga will be fouled and go to the free throw line. One more coming up for Mavunga. Second one is good, so it's now 25-24. Shot is up. It's no good. Ball saved. Saved to Gardner. She missed the layup. And the Bulldogs out of there with it. Oles has it. And she'll dribble right side. Lob down into Mavunga. Had it. Lost the handle on it. Saved by the Bulldogs, but unfortunately it sails out of bounds. Bulldogs up by 1, 25-24, and a foul is called on Brownsburg. Game a little closer probably than a lot of people expected at this point. 1 point. Brownsburg on paper, obviously a clear favorite with Mavunga, great player. Spin move and a foul is called. And that'll send Bridges to the free throw line. But the games, of course, are not played on paper. They are played on basketball courts. And sure, even though the fans might have expected this one not to be as close, the Bulldogs were ready. And we're tied again. Shot is up. It's short. And a violation. Ooh, a violation called against Brownsburg. So that's going to give the Cardinals another shot at the free throw line. Bridges eyes it up, and that one is also short, and it fails to draw the rim. And with 4:35 left to play in the third, we are tied at 25. Lob down inside, shot is up and good for 2. That was number 30, Digert for 2. Oh, nice move by Wright. Lost the handle on it, kicked out of bounds. Last touch by the Bulldogs. Brownsburg really collapses to the ball well, and they did so that time to prevent the easy layup. Lob across court. Pass down inside to Bridges. Spin move. Shot blocked by Mavunga. She didn't even jump. Now is going to run the floor. Pass ahead. Open layup is good for 2. Digert again. And Digert on a 4-0 run. Right. Little floating jumper, no. Mavunga grabs the rebound, running out of there with it again. Running the might have got away with a walk. Comer a 3. It's no good. Rebound, Comer. Lost the handle on it. Ball on the floor, nearly stolen away. Ends up in the hands of the Bulldogs. Roper to the hole, no good. Mavunga rebound. And a foul is called. 3:08 left to play in the third. 29-25. Bulldogs advantage. Now there's a steal by Kendall. Across the 10-second line. Long two, no good. Mavunga grabs the rebound. And Dygert again. She's on a roll. 6 consecutive baskets, or 6 consecutive points. 3 straight baskets. Bulldogs lead at 31-25. 2:30 to play in the third. Gardner, jumper, no. And a foul by Bridges off the rebound. Bulldogs lead it by 6. Inside, shot, no, but Mavunga puts it up and in for 2. Nice job there by Mavunga. And a steal by Walker, so the Cardinals, after tying the ball game, have kind of fallen apart here mentally with some unforced errors, and the Bulldogs have taken advantage. Chance to get the lead back to double digits, which would tie the biggest of the ball game. Lob into Mavunga, position, shot up, good for 2, and it's a 10-point lead. 1:30 to play, timeout. Southport, Brownsburg back in control. So Cardinals with the ball and a foul, and Bridges will go to the free throw line. Minute 13 to play in the third. 35-25 the score. Shot is up and good. Could not get it to go, and it's now a 35-26, 9-point Brownsburg lead. Lob down inside. Walker's open. Kicks it up. Dygert shot. Blocked. Foul. And Brownsburg back to the free throw line. Gardner, nice give to Bridges, blocked by Mavunga. That is not the first time we've said that today. Mavunga runs the floor, missed the layup. Loose ball pulled out of there by Clark, and Clark is fouled. And there's a three ball. That's up and good. Into Mavunga, spin move, got position, goes up and missed it, tipped up. Gardner comes out of there with it, and that'll bring about the end of the third quarter. Nice attempt there, but wouldn't have counted anyway. So we have played 3 quarters, and it's 36-29. Bulldogs with a 7-point lead. Okay, so Bulldog ball to begin the fourth. They lead it by 7. Walker to the hole, couldn't get it to go. Gardner out of there with it. She's going to run the floor, taking it all the way, missed the layup. And Southport ends up not being able to wage a comeback against the Bulldogs. The story of the game likely going to be those missed layups. They just have not been able to convert on some good looks. Beneficial for Brownsburg, though, and of course they'll obviously take it. And now whistle, and a foul is called, and I believe it's going to be a 2-shot foul. Second shot is good, so the lead extends itself back to 9. That's good possession for Brownsburg to be able to get it back up there after the three-pointer from Southport. Gardner with it to Bridges. Three ball in and out. Mavunga grabs the rebound. Around the horn it comes. Comer in the lane, shot up. Loose ball, fought for, and a whistle. Did they call a foul? I think they did. Kind of a ticky-tack foul there. Both players going for the ball, but they're going to get Dygert with the foul. 29 for Southport, 38 for the Bulldogs. They have a 9. It's enough for me to say, a 9-point lead. Right, jumper, no. Rebound out of there to Walker. Oles has it. She needs to hurry, and a timeout. Timeout called by Brownsburg. Good timeout by Amy Brahman. Stop the clock. 6 minutes, 4 seconds to play in the ball game. 9-point lead for Brownsburg. All right, here we go. Bulldogs back with the ball. They lead it by 9, and Mavunga that was Walker, turns it over. Good news for the Bulldogs. Time on their side as the clock continues to wind down here in the fourth quarter. Inside of 6 minutes to go. Only giving up 29 points thus far, so as long as they can hold up that standard of defense, and now a whistle. And a foul called on Brownsburg. Southport's coach, being a little coy there, was asking for the timeout. Didn't get the timeout. Saw the whistle blow. Thought it was a jump ball. Started to put the muscle on the official, and then saw it was a foul. Said, okay, no problem. Good call. 5:37 to play. Gardner to the free throw line, where free throws have been a tough day for Southport thus far. And they continue as that shot is no good. That was the 7th team foul in the Bulldogs, so Southport will shoot free throws the rest of the way. And a palming call on Roper. Again, if the Bulldogs hang on here, they'll get Ben Davis. 7:30 on Friday. Right. Ball tipped away, ends up in the hands of Garner. Back to Wright. To Wright for 3. No good. Rebound is blocked, and another foul called on the Bulldogs. And that's on Mavunga. And I'm not sure if that's her 3rd or her 4th. This could be big either way. Let's see. That is her 3rd. So a little breathing room there for the Bulldogs. But obviously they'll be gunning to get a 4th one. Bridges to the free throw line. Shot is up, and it is no good. So Southport really helping Brownsburg out here. They've does get the second, lead back to 8, 38-30. 5:05 left to play in the ball game. Bulldogs do break the press. Mavunga, center of the floor. Kicks it back up top. And a foul called on Wright. That was Bria Wright, the senior. And that means that the Bulldogs will head to the free throw line the rest of the way, as they are also in the bonus. 17 fouls on Southport. Oles nails the first. And a lane violation called on the Bulldogs. That's the second of the ball game called on Brownsburg. Unusual to see the Bulldogs, or any team rather, get a one in a game, much less two. So that was the second lane violation. Gardner with it on the wing. Dribbles into the lane. Ball was kicked. No call. Jump ball called, and I believe possession error will stay. With Southport, it will. 39-30. 4:30 left to play. Around the horn it comes. Right, a rainbow three is good. She's been shooting them all afternoon and finally got one to go down there. Mavunga quickly back the other way. And the lead is 6. So Brownsburg still with the advantage, going to their superstar, and she missed the layup. Tipped up, grabs the rebound. It's on the floor and a foul. I think they did call a foul. Yes, they did. Foul called on Southport. So Mavunga back to the free throw line. Just so much bigger than everyone else. They're really able to grab that rebound and take advantage of it. Chance for Mavunga to extend the lead back to 8 here. She can hit her free throws. Got it. One more on the way for Mavunga. And as long as they can keep that lead, really at that 6 to 8 range, some breathing room for Brownsburg. She missed the second, but the rebound tracked down by the Bulldogs. Into Mavunga, spin move, and now a foul, another foul, called on Southport. So Brownsburg really taking advantage. Stephanie Mavunga's size. And Mavunga makes the first. Second shot is up and good. Timeout. Called by Brownsburg. That's a full timeout. 3:56 left to play in the ball game. 42-33 our score. All righty, here we go. Dogs with the now they were able to get quite a few points there the last trip, down 3 in fact, and then there's a turnover. To the hole, and the layup no good. Tipped up, Mavunga rebound, puts it up and in. Biggest lead of the ball game now is 11. 3 ball, Clark, no good. Rebound tipped up. Mavunga ends up with it. Free path to the basket, and she will dish it off to a wide open Kaylee Comer in for 2. And the Bulldogs now in full control with 3 minutes left to play in the ball game. Clark, a long three is good. That'll cut the lead back to 10, 46-36. As the Bulldogs try to wind down a victory here. Now there's a steal. Wright's got it underneath the basket. Shot put back up and in. And Clark puts it in for two, so give Southport credit. They are fighting hard till the very end. Mavunga with it, center of the floor. Shot is in, no, tipped up, put back up, and this, nope. Boy, that was down the well. Couldn't get it to go. And here comes Wright. Shot high off the glass, ends up in the hands of Gardner, puts it up, no. Rebound to Bridges, and Bridges will put it in for two. So, with a minute and 56 seconds to play, the lead is now 6. Still comfortable, right in that range we've talked about for the Bulldogs. But let's see what they can do here. Oh, Mavunga had somebody wide open. It was Comer, and couldn't get it to her in time. So now the Bulldogs play a little game of keep away here. And Comer will be fouled and will go to the free throw line. That'll be a double bonus foul with a minute 33 to go. So 2 free throws coming up and a 6-point lead. And obviously big to hit at least one. As that would make it a 3-possession game. Minute 33 to go, 46-40 our score. Full timeout called by Southport. All righty, here we go. Comer to the foul line, shooting 2. First one is up and good. Got them both. Nice job by Comer. Steal by Mavunga. Turns it back to Gardner. Blocked away by Mavunga. Big block. And nice play by Lau as she was able to throw it off a Southport player. 48-40 Bulldog ball. And Clark a little slow to get up. Looks like we are ready to inbound the ball. Bulldogs trying to run some time here. Oles has it. Gets it across the 10-second line. Comer with it in the corner. Over to Roper, and Roper is fouled with 1:03 to go. And we'll head to the free throw line to shoot 2. Shot is up, and good. Bulldogs have done their part, hitting their free throws tonight. Second shot also up and good. And now the time really running short for the Cardinals. Into Bridges for 2. And Bridges with the clothesline commits the foul. 49 seconds to play. Bulldogs back to the free throw line. Again, if you're just joining us tonight, Rob Kendall is my name. Thank you for tuning in. Looks like it's going to be a Bulldog victory here. 50-42 with 49 seconds to go. And it's, again, a 10-point Bulldog advantage. Brownsburg has done their part. And there's another 2. Again, though, the Bulldogs, or the Cardinal, rather, did not call timeout. And again, Mavunga beats everyone back. Free ball, no good. Rebound tracked down by Oles. Oles runs it across the 10-second line. They're going to say 10-second line. She say she stepped on the out-of-bounds line. Quick inbound to Clark. And the ball will sail out of bounds. Going to belong to Southport. Top of the key. Around the horn. Right. A 3. It's up. It's no good. Rebound by Kendall. She'll turn around. Put it up. No good. Loose ball. Gardner puts it up and in. And that will do it. So the Bulldogs take it 54-46. And they will move on to round 2 of sectional play, which means they will take on Ben Davis Friday night, 7:30. Marcus Fredwell will have the call of that game. It will be an audio-only broadcast, so we invite you to tune in on Friday evening. We got basketball action for you. Good game by the Lady Dogs. They move on, and we want to thank everybody for joining us tonight. Until next time, I'm Rob Kendall saying so long, everybody.